Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Rosie La Nosy. Today's video will be a cooking video and I will show you how to make a quick and easy meal that you can enjoy for lunch or dinner. This meal is called Sopita con Pollo. All you need is some chicken drumsticks, or you can do also chicken breast and cut it in cubes. 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of tomato bouillon, 1 can of 8-ounce tomato sauce, 1 bag of Sopitas or any type of pasta, 1 small package of Goya Saźon, 4 cups of water, and some olive oil. Okay, so set the timer for 10 minutes and let it cook. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more DIY cooking, cleaning videos. Until next time, you have a good one. Bye.